Pakistan's history is marked by a rich cultural and political heritage that stretches back several millennia. The region that is now Pakistan has been home to numerous civilizations, including the Indus Valley Civilization, which flourished around 2600 BCE. In the centuries that followed, the region came under the control of various empires and dynasties, including the Mauryan, Gupta, and Mughal empires. The Mughal Empire was particularly influential, as it left a lasting impact on the region's art, culture, and architecture. In the 18th and 19th centuries, the region that is now Pakistan came under the control of the British Empire, which ruled the Indian subcontinent. The British introduced new technologies and systems of governance, but they also exploited the region's resources and people, leading to economic and social hardship. In 1947, India gained independence from British rule. The region of Pakistan was created as a Muslim-majority state. The country was divided into two regions, East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, and West Pakistan. Pakistan became a republic in 1956, but the country was plagued by political instability, economic hardship, and conflicts with India. Throughout the 20th century, Pakistan experienced several military coups and periods of authoritarian rule. In recent years, the country has faced ongoing challenges such as terrorism, sectarianism, and poverty. Today, Pakistan is a developing country with a diverse culture, rich history, and a growing economy. The country faces numerous challenges, but it remains a vibrant and dynamic nation with a promising future.